Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to reset password Centos 7. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your terminal, and once you open it, here what you need to do is simply, once you're here, hit enter, and once you're inside here, what you need to do to edit it is press E. And once you press E, you'll be seeing this kind of page, this kind of screen. Now what you need to do is simply find the line starting with Linux, that is Linux X. And once you do that, here at the end of the line, enter rd.break, then hit enter. And once you do that, you'll be seeing here this. Now in the switch root, what you need to do is type in mount, then remount rrw root, and then channel root with sysroot, and then next is entering the password, changing password for user root, new password, and the best password fails the directory check. And once you're done with all this, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that's basically how to reset or reboot Centos 7. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.